Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice equations for the minimum of x, y. We were given x squared plus y squared equals 4. Let's provide the minimum for x and y. By considering the solution here, from the given problem, we have x squared plus y squared equals 4. So we have this as sum of two squared, x squared and y squared, with sum between them. So this identity is given as when we have x plus y and we take the square of this equals x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. And after getting this, when we start checking for the value of x here, x plus y is always greater than or equal to 0. No matter how value we plug in here, it's either 0 or is greater than 0. And x squared plus y squared has been given, which is 4. So the next is we find x, y. Well, let's assume that x plus y here is equal to 0. So this side become 0 squared equals 4 plus 2xy. And by transferring 4 to this side and divide both sides by 2, we get xy equals minus 2. So if xy equals to minus 2, then let's start this and look for the possible values of x and y for us to get xy as minus 2. Let's recall from where I let x plus y equals to 0. If x plus y equals 0. So let's make x the subject. We are going to have x equals minus y. And if x equals minus y, let's substitute this back into this, what we get. Since x equals minus y, we are going to have y into bracket of minus y equals minus 2. And with this, when we multiply this out, minus cancelled minus, and we have y squared equals 2. If y squared equals 2, this implies that our y equals plus or minus square root of 2. If y equals plus or minus square root of 2, this shows that our y is root 2 or y equals minus root 2. And since we say that x equals minus y, this is telling us that if y equals root 2, we are going to have x as minus root 2. And if y equals minus root 2, we have x as plus root 2. Therefore, the minimum values of xy that we get here is given as minus 2, where the values of x, y are given as if x is minus root 2, y will be root 2. And if x is root 2, our y here will be minus root 2. So this is how we solve this problem. I solved this using one method. If you have another method of solving this, we can drop it in the comment box. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.